Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the Genshin Impact FPS drop test and overall gameplay experience in the Realme GT Neo 5 or the Realme GT3. So right now I did install the Genshin Impact game and the phone has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And now I'm going to demonstrate how is the overall gameplay experience going to be there in this Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. And meanwhile, even I'll try to concentrate on the temperatures, how much it's increasing from the beginning to end of the video. And in the beginning it's about 31 degrees Celsius and my room temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius. There is no aircon in my room, nothing, there is no AC at this moment, but right now 31 degrees Celsius. And in case if you want to know more details on the OnePlus 11R, try to check the links in description for the playlist videos of the OnePlus 11R and the Realme GT Neo 5 other device as well, in case if you want to know all the comparison videos. Right now let's get started with the Genshin Impact gameplay. Overall we'll try to see how is the FPS drop test going on if you try to use the 60 FPS. So let me to start the match and now we'll try to see overall difference. So what's happening regarding the real-time FPS, let me to enable that real-time FPS as well, so that you can actually monitor exact FPS what's going on in the Realme GT Neo 5 or the Realme GT3. Right now let me show you exact FPS drop. So I'll try to select with the maximum settings, so highest settings as possible I'll try to select at this moment. And let's go to the settings option and let me to enable that. Is the graphic settings and to the highest, and next I'm trying to change the 60 FPS. So overall I changed the 60 FPS and right now you can see how is the FPS is happening. And overall I'm getting about 58 and 57. So right now it's dropping up to 30 FPS as well. I'm not sure why it's dropping at this moment, but let me to keep it simple. I did try to select the 60 FPS but still I'm getting 30 FPS. Let me to see. So I'm not sure why it's dropping, but for some reasons if I try to select the GT mode then the FPS is increasing to 60 FPS. So I'm not sure why it is like that, but if I try to use the balancer mode the FPS is going down to 30 FPS. That's usually will not happen in the Realme smartphones. So it only happens with the default settings what you try to select. So in the default settings if you try to select a 60 FPS the phone will play 60 FPS. But now using the GT mode only it's playing at 60 FPS. It's not playing. That's a problem which I did figure out here right now. If you want you can use the touch optimization. If you want you can enable that. See GPU settings also you can enable that if you want all of these options. And now let me to use with the GT mode, and now I'm going to do the FPS test and now it's maintaining about 60 FPS. Now it's pretty smooth, not bad. .57 58 FPS is maintaining, which is not bad. 57 and 60 FPS it's maintaining at this moment. Overall the CPU and the GPU usage you can see how it's maintaining the CPU and the GPU usage. It's showing about the CPU is of 100% and the GPU is 44%. .55 FPS it's maintaining. 60 FPS, 52 FPS. I did see the lowest of 52 at this moment. So overall it's really very smooth when I'm trying to move around. I can feel that like smoothness when I'm trying to move around, as you can see. But using the GT mode only you can actually feel that kind of smoothness in this device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, the quick gameplay experience review. After playing for 5 minutes of time, the temperature increased to 37 degrees Celsius, 37.6. As you can see, using the high graphic settings, 37.6, 37.4. High temperatures, this much the phone did increase while doing this test, which is not bad. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and let's for more updates, and this is a quick overall gameplay experience and review of 60 FPS in this device. Until signing off, and there is no 90 FPS unfortunately in this Realme GT Neo 5 or GT3. Until signing off, and bye.